So as a newbie, I will suggest because some of them know they like advice before una go enter my comment section now bombard me. So I will suggest as a newbie coming to this space, yeah, eat market structure. See, I'm not telling you market structure. I'm not telling you market structure. That you come down, you take the high break of structure, you come down again. Those ones are textbook. Eat market structure, understand internal structures and external structure. Like eat it, understand what it means, what an internal structure means for the 1 hour time frame, what an internal structure means for the 4 hours time frame. Because 1 hour external structure can be 4 hours internal structure, and 4 hours external structure can be daily internal structure. So understand what those structure mean from for different time frames. That will help you because if you are analyzing, you will know where to get your your POI to do entry. After you are done with market structure, my darling, enter liquidity. I kid you not. See, enter liquidity, chop am, chop liquidity like food. Like watch different videos, yeah, watch from trader B, trader Z, watch different videos. Make sure you have a clear understanding of liquidity. It's not just your normal lows or liquidity highs. No, there are some accumulations that are liquidity. There are some demand zones that are liquidity. There are some support areas and resistance areas that are liquidity. So liquidity is not only your normal lows and highs and then double bottom, and yeah, those are liquidity, but you need to go deep into liquidity. Now, if you are done with the liquidity, try to know the POY that works with the pairs. Some pair like gold now, you see FVG, if you are trading FVG on gold, you will milk gold. If you are trading FVG on gold, you will milk gold. So know what POY works for which pair. Know if it is other block that works, if it is FVG that works, if it is breaker block that works, if it is reclaimed block. Just know what pair works for this pair that I want to trade. You see these three things, I swear it will save you. It will save you time. Forget all this one that they are saying, indicator this, scalator this, that one. Guy, you see this one, understand market structure, chop liquidity, then know the POY that works majorly on the pair you are trading. My darling, it will save you time. I am to see. If you like, go and be learning because I don't mention fancy name now. Go and be looking for fancy name. You would go 5 years, you never withdraw background from this space. Don't do that. Focus on these three things and trust me, within 1 year you become profitable. Now wetin they not tell us before, they chop our money, they go new thing will come and they will say more will come pay. They were just eating our money. All those indicators now, nobody uses them. Well, not nobody, majority of people, we don't use them. We use clear price action now. So if you're coming on the space, remember market structure, remember liquidity. I'm not just saying market structure, those ones that will say when they high take out, that's a break of structure. Have sense. So know the internal, know the external. Do you understand me? Know the internal for 1 hour, know the internal, know the difference. Because at times I will get confused on the structure. I have to zoom out, maybe weekly. Let me see the last break of structure on the weekly, and you will see all those break of structure that you're seeing on the 4 hours that is like 3 or 4 break of structure. It's just one break of structure on the daily. So you need to understand which one is the internal, which one is the external. And then liquidity, very important. If you don't know, they say if you don't know where liquidity is, just know that you are the liquidity. So you need to know liquidity. Eat it very well. Then know the POI, whatever pair you are trading, which POI work. Is it other block that works for Euro USD? Is it FVG that works for gold? Is it breaker block that works for this one? Once you combine those three, this year you go withdraw. I tell you. If you know withdraw, come meet me for my house. Come meet me for my house if you know the house.